So in this Bet365 tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to place an NBA in-season tournament winner futures bet here on the Bet365 application. So if you wanted to place a futures wager on who's going to win the NBA in-season tournament, which is coming up fairly shortly, go to your home tab here, go to the top left and press on the NBA logo. Then on this top bar, it says lines, props, bet boost, etc. Just slide this bar all the way to the right to where it says futures and press on futures. Then slide down a little bit to where it says to win outright, press on that. Then on this drop down screen, there's a whole bunch of different options. There's to win outright, regular season award, all this kind of stuff. Slide down to where it says to win in-season tournament. Go ahead and press on that one right there. Now, a whole bunch of different options are right here. So you have the Celtics, the Bucks, whatever's presented at this moment in time that you're willing to place this bet on. If you wanted to place a futures bet on the Bucks, for instance, we'll go ahead to the Bucks right here, and then go to the bottom left and press on set wager, and then place a bet on the bottom right. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can place an NBA in-season tournament winner futures bet here on the Bet365 application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.